Sanibona babukeli emakhaya. Sithanda ukuthi namukele esifundweni sethu sanamhlanje. Mina engikhulumayo ngoSavelo Nyathi, angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba nomzalwane la.
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya, igama lami ngibonisa Indlovu.
Siyabonga. Ngaphambi kokuthi singene esifundweni sethu sanamhlanje, usifundo number 6 esithi the vision explained, umbono uyachazwa. Sizothi-ke sithatha umthandazo, sicele umzalwane uNdlovu asikhulekele.
Asikhulekeni. Baba wethu esezulwini, Nkosi, ngalesi sikhathi sithanda ukubonga ngesikhathi osipha sona ukuba nasize phambi kobuso bakho, Nkosi. Sizoziletha sicela Nkosi inhlakanipho evela ngaphezulu. Masiyathi singene kulesi sifundo esicelayo, Nkosi, umoya wakho ngani ungahlala nathi, usivezele wonke amaqiniso ongathanda ukubana siwazi. Egcineni kwakho konke sibe ngababusisekileyo, njalo izimilo zethu, Nkosi, kube yilezo, Nkosi, ezizathi ziguqulwe yilokho esathi sikufunde. Siphathise sonke lababukeli emakhaya, benze nabo babe nokuzwisisa okufanayo, Nkosi. Ekupheleni kwakho konke sibe ngabasindisweyo. Ngelihle igama leNkosi yethu Jesu Kristu siyakhuleka. Amen.
Amen. Siyabonga. Sizothi singene-ke esifundweni sethu ngoba besishilo ivesi lokuvula silithola lapha kuDaniel 9 verse ka-25 elifundeka kanje ngesiLungu. Know therefore and understand that from the going forth of the commandment to restore and to build Jerusalem unto the Messiah the Prince shall be 7 weeks, and 62 weeks the street shall be built again, and the wall, even in troublous times. Amen.
Amen.
Sithola-ke lapha ukungeniswa esifundweni sethu sokuhle kubalwa isikhathi. Kukhona into ezimbalwa esingathi sizibheke ezibalulekile kuleli vesi esothi sihambe sifunda ngazo masingena. Ungasichazela zona nje.
Ngiyabonga mzalwane. Ukungena esifundweni sethu, isihloko sethu sithe laphana umbono uyachazwa. Esifundweni sethu esedlulileyo, into esifunde ngayo bekungumbono ngokwawo uDaniel abenawo awubonayo. So-ke embonweni lo awubonayo, masethola incazelo kumbe mayisebuzisisa ngencazelo yakhona, sibona ukubana uchazelwa the other party enye ingxenye, kodwa enye ingxenye injani ayisachazwanga ngendaba zokuthi akasazange akwazi ukuthi akwamukele konke, kumba kuzwisise konke lokho kwakulethwa ngakuye. So kwaba nzima ngakuye, so wagcina esiba ngumuntu oqulekayo, wagcina esegula isikhathi esithile. So-ke lapha-ke siyabona masingeniswa-ke evesini lethu esilibhekileyo laphana, so kufika-ke kuchazwa le ingxenye le beyingachazwanga, ethi yona le vesi esuyifundile lapha, ethi yona yazi-ke njalo uqonde ukubana kusukela ekukhishweni komyalezo ukubana buyiselwa njalo kwakhiwe iJerusalema kuze kufike esikhathini sikaMesaya, kuzokuba yini? Kuzokuba ngamaviki awu-69 la esiwachazelayo lapha. And then kube sokuthiwa kuzokwakhiwa futhi izindonga lasezikhathini ezinjani ezinzima. So yingilosi kaNkulunkulu leyo esiyibona isiza izochazela uDaniel on the other part le eyayisele.
So sifunda lapha kuma prophet ongene sisifundo page 326 ukuthi le ngilosi ethunyelwe ize ukuthi izochaza kumbe iphathi yombono lapho okukhuluma khona ngesikhathi. Siyabona ukuthi ngoba sifundile evingini eliphelileyo ukuthi lo mbono lona kukhona iphathi uDaniel ayi-understandayo esifunde ngazo izilwane zonke lezi esifunde ngazo evingini eliphelileyo. Ngakubona lokho waku-understand ukuthi lo ngumbuso omuphi, lokho kwenzakalani. Leyo phathi wayizwisisa. Wasala-ke le phathi le ingilosi ethe izi ukuthi izoyichaza. Uthi lapha ku page 326, the statement relative to time. So kunezikhathi ezichazwa ngoba sesibalile lapha evesini ukuthi unamaviki kulamalanga uhlangahlangene kule part yesikhathi. So nayo Daniel ingilosi izile lapho ukuthi izomchazela sizothi sifunde kabanzi ke ngokuthi yini leni isikhathi bani ngesani kwezakalani ngaso sonke lesikhathi okwehlula uDaniel wazi kwaba khona isidingo sokuthi kuzingilosi sothemba ukuthi nathi lokho okwachazelwa uDaniel nathi kuzothi kube into ecacileyo masiqeda isifundo sanamhlanje.
Amen.
Siyadlulela ku Sunday bese ngena ku Sunday. Reading to understand. Fundela ukuzwisisa. Uthi lapha ku A, around the time of the conquest of Babylon by the Medes and the Persians. What was Daniel studying? Wayefunda noDaniel ngesikhathi sokunqoba kweBabylon ngama-Medes nama-Persians.
Isihloko siyasichazela lapha esithi wayefunda ukubana kanjani azwisise. So uDaniel simbone ekhathazekile kakhulu mase kuyofika isikhathi sokubana isikhathi sabo sokuthunjwa siphele. So uyathatha ke izibhalo ke ngokubhala kuka prophet uJeremiah ufuna ukuzwisisa ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani ekugcineni njalo uNkulunkulu engabe ezobakhulula kanjani. Iverse esiphiwe lapha ithi yona in the first year of his reign Daniel understood by books the number of the years whereof the word of the Lord came to Jeremiah the prophet that he would accomplish 70 years in the desolations of Jerusalem. So uNkulunkulu wayekubekile esiprofethweni ukuthi kukhona azakwenza nxa izindonga zaseJerusalem zilokho ezibhidlile zinjalo kukhona ezokwenza ngabantu abakhe. So uma isiprophet esiphiweyo lapha uthi wona while those who had remained loyal to God in the midst of Babylon were seeking the Lord and studying the prophecies foretelling their deliverance, God was preparing the hearts of kings to show favor to his repentant people. So laba ababe ngabathunjwa beseBabylon babonakala bekhathazekile njengoba sengichazela indaba. Kodwa ke into isemqoka ukubana uNkulunkulu laye wayelendima yakhe akade eyidlala ingxenye yakhe akade eyidlala ezinhlizweni zababusi. Yes, ngoba wayefuna ukuthi njani athambise izinhliziyo zababusi ukwenzela ukuthi bakhulule abantwana bamaHebheru bamaJuda babuyele futhi kuphi esizweni sabo. So into engiyithathayo lapha izifundo mzalwane wami ukubana kumele ukuthi sihlolisise izibhalo sibheke isikhathi. Ngoba manje sesiphila esikhathini esingasabekwanga ukuthi siyophelani, kodwa izehlakalo ezizokwenzeka ekugcineni zonke zibaliwe zabekwa ngaphi ezweni likaNkulunkulu. So kumele sibe abalomoya ofana lokaDaniel ukuhlolisisa izibhalo ngezikhathi zokugcina njalo sazi ukubana uNkulunkulu konke lokho akuthembisileyo uza kuthi akugcwalise ngesikhathi asibekileyo.
Amen. Siyabonga ke ngithathe siyo le ngcenye ethi uNkulunkulu wayelungisa inhliziyo zababusi ngoba basifunda sisiyaphambili kanti ke sizobona khona ukuthi ngempela inkosi yayizilungisile inhliziyo zababusi ukuze umsebenzi wayo uqhubekele phambili. Sidlulele kuB uthi yena chaza ukubaleka kwalesi siprofeti sasifunda ngoDaniel. Sibaleke kanjani isiprofeti lesasifundayo uDaniel ma abantu bepi inkosi salungisa inhliziyo zababusi.
So uDaniel ke ngoba sesikubekile lapha ukuthi uDaniel wayefunda kusiprofethi saka Jeremiah. uNkulunkulu ubonakala ke elecebo ayelungisile ukubana alungise kumbe alungisise uIsrayeli lo waye kade ehlubuka esemhlubuke kangaka. So uNkulunkulu ucebile ukubana uzobanikela esandleni sikabani esandleni samaBhabhiloni ngaphansi kombuso kaNebukadnezar ukubana bathunjwe bahanjiswe ngaphi ekuthunjweni. Into engiyithandayo evesini esilifunda ku verse 9 lapha uJeremiah 25 iverse lingene ka9 ithi behold I will send and take all the families of the north said the Lord and Nebuchadnezzar the king of Babylon my servant. So kwakuhlelwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi anjani asebenzise yena ubani uNebuchadnezzar inkosi yaseBabylon. Njalo kunye sikufundayo lapha ukuthi ithi, and I will bring them against this land and against the inhabitants thereof and against all these nations round about and will utterly what destroy them. So kwakungasobona isizwe kuphela esakaJuda esathunjwayo, kodwa zonke izizwe ezazizungeze uJuda lazo zonke zanjani zathatha zayiswa ekuthunjweni. Kodwa nansi ke into engiyithandayo futhi masisehla le ndaba ithi and this whole land shall be, verse 11 uthi, and this whole land shall be a desolation and an astonishment, and these nations shall serve the king of Babylon. So zonke lezi zinto ezazithunjiwe zazimele ukuthi zihambe ziye ngaphi, zihambe ziye kuthunjweni for about how many years? 70. Konke lokhu kubekiwe ngaphi? Ezwini likaNkulunkulu. Kwakuyisiprophet esasivele esikhona. Kodwa ekugcineni uNkulunkulu futhi wayeneplan yokuthi uzophi after 70 years uzobabisa. Ithi yona laphana kuverse 13, and I will bring upon that land ngiqale kuverse 12, and it shall come to pass when 70 years are accomplished that I will punish the king of Babylon and that nation, saith the Lord, for their iniquity and the land of the Chaldeans, and will make it perpetual what? Desolations. And I will bring upon that land all my words which I have pronounced against it, even all that is written in this book. So uNkulunkulu uthi uzabayisa ekuthunjweni, aphinde anjani ababuye abaletha aqalekise sona leso sizwe sibathumbileyo futhi, aphinde abathathe abanjani ababuyisele emuva. So uNkulunkulu nguye owayekuhlelile konke lokho ukuthi kwenzakale ngaleyo 70 years akade ibekile.
So sithola lapha maybe singathola ukuchazelwa singakangeni iverse esikhuluma ngalo manje ibalisa lapho uDaniel ubalisa 70 weeks, right? Kodwa iverse esivule ngalo lwahlukanisile lamaviki, ibalisa 62 iphinde libalise inye ingxenye yakhona. Maybe singayigijimela phambili sithi ahlukaniselwe namaviki ngoba manje songathi sifunda into eziningi ezingafani. Kuno lapha phezulu kuno 7 weeks no 62 weeks, but masingena lapha emavesini sithola 70 weeks lokuphindwe njalo ngo 70 weeks.
Yes. So into yokufanele sizwisise lapha na ukubana la this prophet uDaniel akhuluma ngaso i70 years. I70 years yayiqala ekuthunjweni kwabantwana bakaIsrayeli kusiyafika ekupheleni kwesikhathi sabo bese kuthunjweni. And then makuphela i70 years and then sekuzoqala ke i70 weeks. I70 weeks leyo eyingxenye yesikhathi esizobe sifunda ngayo namhlanje sisiya phambili. So kufanele sikwehlukanise ukuthi i70 years ne70 weeks. I70 weeks iqala lapho kuphela i70 years.
Okay. Yes, okubalekile ukuthi sibone ukuthi kukhona la uDaniel mayefunda nje ufunda ngokuthi isikhathi sokukhululwa sesifikile. I70 years leso esakhuluma ngayo. Bese singena ke lapha kuma weeks. Siye kusi what did the prophecy of Jeremiah urge God's people to do? This prophet esifundwa nguDaniel. Sithi abantu benzeni, abantu bakaNkulunkulu laba basekuthunjweni lokho sokuzophela isibenzeni.
Yeah, so into kufanele sizwisise eqaleni kubana uNkulunkulu injongo yakhe kwakuyini ngokuthi bathathwe bayiswe ezweni lokuthunjwa. So uNkulunkulu wayefuna ukuthi bayolungisiswa, bayozibone ububi babo, basebe njani, basebe yaphenduka. Baphenduke ezonweni zabo. So yiyo le ndlela uDaniel ayezwisisayo. Ithi yona lapha ku Jeremiah 29 verse lingeka 10 ithi for thus saith the Lord, that after 70 years be accomplished at Babylon, I will visit you and perform my good word toward you in causing you to return to this land. So uyayibeka uyayichaza ku Jeremiah lapha ukuthi makuphela le 70 years ngizathi njani, ngizokuthi likhumbule futhi nginjani livakatshele mase ngifikile sengithenga ngafika kini bese ngilenza ukubana libuyele futhi endaweni yenu le kade ngilinikeze yona. And nansi enye into lapho esingayiphawula futhi kuvesi kumbe siyifunde yonke sisehlalayo ithi, for I know the thoughts that I think toward you, say the Lord, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end. Then shall ye call upon me, and ye shall go and pray unto me, and I will hearken unto you. And ye shall seek me and find me when ye shall search for me with all your heart. So uNkulunkulu into ayithanda ayifisa ngabantu bakhe ukuthi bazihlole. Kube khona ukuzihlola ezinhlizweni zabo, babonise ukuthi ngempela sebengabantu abanjani abaguqukileyo abangasafani lalabo akade bethathiwe basiwa ekuthunjeni. So uNkulunkulu esikutholayo is ever ready ukuthi anjani asamukele. Angithi masimfuna ngezinhliziyo zethu ezinjani eziqotho. Yes, masimfuna ngezinhliziyo zethu eziqotho uNkulunkulu uhlale silindele ukuthi asamukele njengoba sinjalo abasenjani esiyasilungisisa. So nxa wayezobabisela emuva wayefuna ukuthi izinhliziyo zabo zibe sezilungisisiwe bese bengabantu abashintshileyo, sebengabantu abangcono abamaziyo uNkulunkulu njalo abamethembayo ngazo zonke izikhathi.
Amen. Yes, siyabonga lapha ugcineni kuka Moyes prophet okasiya uthi yena favor will be shown to the remnant of Judah in answer to the fervent prayer. So lo mthandazo lo bawo ukhona uthi ngemva kwesikhathi sonke lesokuthunjwa inkosi yayizothi bavakashele ibabonise umusa ukuze babuyisele endaweni yabo.
Amen.
Amen. Sidlulela kumanje ethi Daniel's prayer. Wenzani uDaniel mayeqeda kufunda lento ebeyifunda lapha isiprophet lesi sika Jeremiah?
So into esiyifundayo lapha ukubana uDaniel maye sethe wabhekisisa isiprophet sika Jeremiah wabuya futhi wabona lembono leyi akade eyiboniswa. uDaniel ungena emkhulekweni. So kwesikhathi wakubona kufanele ukuthi kube isikhathi lapho azofuna khona inkosi ngendlela ephakemeyo, acele wonke acele zonke izimpendulo mhlawumbe lencazelo akade engabe eyidinga ukwenzela ukuthi kanjani abone kumbe azwisise lokho osekuvezwe ku laphana umbuzweni wethu number 1 uthi wona, what did Daniel do in response to what he read? Uthi yena njengoba bese ngichazile uthi, and I set my face unto the Lord to seek by prayer and supplications with fasting and sackcloth and ashes. So ungena emkhulekweni ojulileyo, uwembatha ingubo zamasaka, uyazila, uletha izikhalazo zakhe kuNkulunkulu, uzibhoqa kuphi even lasesilotheni lapho efuna uNkulunkulu ngendlela enjalo. So ngaleyo ndlela simbona efuna ukuzwisisa. Okunye nje singakuphawula ngalesi sikhathi singabe sesibutholile ukuthi uDaniel waye about 88 years of age makwenzakala lesi sehlakalo. So wayesemdala sekhulile. Okunye futhi ababhali abakuphawulayo ngalesi sikhathi uDaniel ngene emkhulekweni bathi bona kuyiso leso sikhathi lapho uDaniel aphonselwa khona emgodini wezingwenyama. So uDaniel wayengafihli lutho ngoba wayethandaza athi wayezevule amafastera engasabi lutho noma kukhona abanjani abasebem accuse bemcala ngesimo esinjalo. Njalo okunye sikuphawulayo lapha ukubana ingilosi lefika kuye kuDaniel mayesemkhulekweni ifika lapha esemthandazweni wantambama. So siyabona ukuthi isikhathi leso uDaniel ayizinikele sona kakhulu. Uma isiprophet Moses lapha sibheka ithi, with faith founded on the sure word of prophecy, Daniel pleaded with the Lord for the speedy fulfillment of these promises. He pleaded for the honor of God to be preserved. In his petition, he identified himself fully with those who had fallen short of divine purpose, confessing their sins as his. So uma ingena emkhulekweni uDaniel uthi lokho asekubonile kumbe lokho asekutsheliwe wafisa ukuthi makunjani kwenzeke masinya abantwana bakaNkuluNkulu banjani babuyisele emuva. Njalo kunye esibona ekwenza kakhulu kuthiwa wancenga inkosi la ehlanganyela ukuthi laye ungomunye womuntu onjani owonileyo. So ngendlela enjalo akazange azikhipha yena ukuthi hayi inkosi mina ngisondelelene nawe kakhulu kade ungisebenzisa mina ngingcwele kodwa simbone ehlanganyela. So kuyindlela okumele siyifundele ukuthi makukhona izimo ezithile lapho kumele ukuthi sicele khona inkosi sincenge inkosi masingazikhiphini thina sizibone singcono kodwa masihlanganyele kukho lokho kwenzela ukuthi inkosi izwe imthandazo yethu ngoba lathi singabantu abangcwelile phambi kwayo.
Amen. Siyabonga leyo mpendulo siyasiphendulela noBhi lapha ukuthi uDaniel simbona engumuntu ozehlisayo ezihlanganisa nalabo bantu noma nje ingilo seyithi you are greatly what you are greatly loved you are ngoba ngize kuwe la you are greatly loved ezulwini. So uMoya prophet lapho uthi though Daniel had long been in the service of God and had been spoken of by heaven as greatly loved, yet he now appeared before God as a sinner, urging the great need of the people he loved.
Amen.
So akazikhiphanga phela kuleso simo sasenzeka. We are faster naye masifunda lapha amavesi lawa omkhuleko wakhe uthi we have sinned.
Amen.
Uzifaka kanye
nabanye
besizwe sakhe asithandayo bonke. So yikho esikutholayo lapha na kuBhi kusi why consent ngani ukuthi yini lento yayimenza abe ngophatheke kakhulu ngale into ayifundayo kumbe ngale into aseyibonile embonweni.
uDaniel into esibona imkhathaza kakhulu kwakuyisimo sendawo yakubo eJerusalem, particularly iThempeli likaNkuluNkulu.
Yes.
Ngoba yikho lapho okwakukhona ukukhanya lobungcwele bukaNkuluNkulu kuhlala khona. So wakhathazeka ngesimo esinjalo ukuthi indawo ekade ibiyindawo ubukhona bukaNkuluNkulu bebukhona manje ihleli iyincithakalo. So kwamkhathaza kakhulu lokho emoyeni wakhe lokuthi nje abantu bahlakazekile endaweni zonke.
Yes.
Abakwazi ukuthi babunjani babuyele kuyobanjwa imikhosi leyo ekade njani isenziwa endaweni engcwele kaNkuluNkulu. Yona ngokwayo iJerusalem amasibheka le tempeli lelo elalikhona elalilakhiwe nguSolomon.
Yes.
Twala lali ubukhosi. Lali ubukhosi esizweni sakwaJuda. Babeziqhayisa ngalo lelo tempeli ngoba siyafunda ukuthi kukhona even le Queen of Sheba travela izobona ubuhle nje bendawo le tempeli leli eliyakhiwe ngobuciko obunjani obuphezulu obuphakemeyo kangaka. So ngendlela enjalo ke uyakhathazeka uDaniel esikufundayo futhi lapha masingena kuMoya prophet ithi for nearly 70 years Israel had been in captivity. The land which God had chosen for his own possession was given into the hands of the heathen. So indawo leyo uNkulunkulu ayikhethile yayisithe yathathwa ngabanjani ngabezizwe abangakholwa. It is the beloved city, the recipients of heaven's light, once the joy of the whole earth, was now despised and degraded. The temple that had contained the ark of God's covenant and the cherubim of overshadowing the mercy city was in ruins. Its very site was desecrated by unholy feet. Faithful men who knew of the former glory were filled with anguish at the desolation of the holy house that had what distinguished Israel as God's chosen people. So yiyo le ndaba engibekayo ukuthi kwakukhona ukudangala okukhulu ngesimo esasikhona. Masehlala phana siyabheka ngaphansi lapha nithi kwakukhona abantu abadala ababeza kule ndawo noma yayiyincithakalo enjalo befike kulama ruins anjalo befike benjani bezothandaza ngezikhathi ezithize I'm sure kwakungaba izikhathi zemkhosi kuthiwa they kissed stones and wet them with their tears as they entreated the Lord to have mercy on Zion and cover her with the glory of his righteousness. So abantu babephatheke ngendlela ebuhlungu kakhulu ngesimo seJerusalem ngaleyo 70 years. Ithi yona ithi with fasting and contrition he sought the Lord, confessing his own sins and the sins of the people. So uDaniel wahlanganyela ke njengoba nasesikubekile la ekhalela lelo ikakhulu ithempeli lapha kwakukhona ukukhona kaNkulunkulu kanye labanye abantu bonke bakukhathazekile ngesimo sasi indlela iJerusalem ayingakhona.
Amen. Yes, so lapha yemkhathazile uDaniel ngoba uzufundile ukuthi nabanye abantu abadala babekhona ngaleso sikhathi babehamba beyekhona even emanxiweni kungamanxiwa kunjalo they would pray, they would kiss the stones babathandaza ukuthi inkosi ngathi ngayizwela indawo yethu and ithi lapha and cover her with glory and righteousness. So uthi lapho Daniel mayese kubheke konke lokho noma ekufundile ukuthi isikhathi sesifile 70 years iphelele inkosi ithe izobavakashela izobakhulula they still had a part to play ukhona kumele bakwenze so yena ingxenye yakhe ayidlalayo ukuthi akhuleke izono zakhe nezono zalaba abanye abantu bonke abaseduze ukuthi babuyele to their beloved city. Amen. Siyadlula siya ku Tuesday ithi a heavenly visitor. Isivakashi sakuphi sasezulwini. Waphamba njaniswa kanjani yes umthandazo kaDaniel ngobusubalisile lapha sikuzwile ukuthi kuyenze kuyakhuleka isikhathi somkhuleko kwanini wantambama uphanjaniswa yini umkhuleko wakhe.
Ngoba sesikubekile nesihloko sithi heavenly visitor laphana isivakashi sasezulwini so ke mayise emkhulekweni uDaniel uthi yena laphana kuDaniel 9 verse 20 and whilst I was speaking and praying and confessing my sin and the sin of my people and representing my supplication before the Lord my God for the holy mountain of my God. Whilst I was speaking in prayer, even the man Gabriel, whom I had seen in the vision at the beginning, being caused to fly swiftly, touched me about the time of the evening oblation. So wathintwa ke ingilosi eyeza ngesivinini esinjani esikhulu isuka khona ezulwini.
Siyabonga. Yes. So lapha uDaniel uyakhuleka then the heavenly visit. Umoya prophet lapha second part it was Gabriel the angel next in rank to the Son of God who came to with the divine message to Daniel. God has given these things to us, and this blessing will attend the reverent prayerful study of the prophetic scriptures. So usibona ukuphakama kwalesi sithunywa kwalesi sivakashi sasezulwini esilethwa kuDaniel ukuthi the next in rank to the Son of God nguyothunyelwayo ukuthi azomchazela. So ithi lapha God will attend uzofika to those abayenza a prayerful study of the prophetic scriptures. So lesikhathi kumbe lezifundo esizifundayo ungabuza noma ubani athi izifundo zinjani lezi zinzima. So ithi lapha yasikhuthaza ukuthi no if we are doing a prayerful study of izifundo lezi then the Lord will surely attend kumkhosi zothi sivakashele ikwazi ukuthi sisize.
Amen.
Sesidlulele ku B, what was the purpose of Gabriel's visit and how is it connected to the vision in chapter 8?
Injongo yengilosi uGabriel laphana ithi yona I am now come forth to give thee skill and understanding. Wayemchazele ekuqaleni ngombono ayewubonile kodwa manje kulo mbono wesikhathi owususele ngawuchazanga ithi uzomnikeza iskill lani ne-understanding lokuzwisisa. So kwakumele ukuthi akuzwisise ngendlela ephakemeyo ukwenzela ukuthi naye esekuchaza kube yinto ezozwakala ngendlela ebalulekile ecacileyo. So ngaleyo ndlela ke ithi yona laphana ithi God had bidden his messenger make this man to understand the vision. Yathi menze lo muntu kanjani azwisise lo mbono lo. That commission must be fulfilled. In obedience to it, the angel sometime afterward returned to Daniel saying, I'm now come forth to give the skill and understanding. Therefore understand the matter and consider the vision. There was one important point in the vision of chapter 8 which had been left unexplained, namely that relating to time, the period of 2,300 days. Therefore the angel, in resuming his explanation, dwells chiefly upon the subject. So kwakusele leyo ngxenye ke ayingayichazanga. So manje uza uthi azovezela uDaniel ukuthi iyini i-2,300 days leyo athi ethi unto 2,300 days then the sanctuary shall be cleansed. Kwabanzima kakhulu ukuzwisisa uDaniel ukuthi manje sibhekele ukuthi siphume 70 days yaphela kodwa sokukhulunywa ngani 2,300 days kube kukhulunywe la ngokuhlanzwa kwani kwetabanekele. So kuhambisana kanjani kungenelana kanjani kwamkhathaza kakhulu. So ingilosi yayize uzochaza lokho.
Yeah. So siyabonga ke lapha ngoba singeniswa impela ukuthi sibone ukuthi lindaba ezochazwa lana is the same vision ka chapter 8 ngoba mawungabheka ama visions uDaniel abesenawo from ekuqaleni kwebhuku lakhe to lesi sikhathi lemi imbono
uyizwisisile
isithombe sika Nebuchadnezzar uzwisisile chapter 7 lapho inyamazana lezo uzozenjani uzwisisile. So ungena ku chapter 8 ivision leyayibonayo yesale ingathi yamxaka noku-apply kwakhona ukuthi ngoba i-70 years iphelile naku sokune 2,300 years zihlangana njani lezi zinto ngoba thina isikhathi esikuyiso manje isikhathi sokuthi sikhululwe siphume sibuyele emuva ekhaya. So ikungena lapho ke ingilosi iza nje izomchazela sibona ngokuthi sokuhlangene chapter 8 no chapter 9 ukubona ukukhuluma ngento eyodwa. Siye kusi lapha, what time period was set aside for the Jewish nation and what will be accomplished during that time?
So iverses iliphiwayo lapha lithi 70 weeks are determined upon thy people and upon thy holy city to finish the transgression and to make an end of sins and to make reconciliation for iniquity and to bring in everlasting righteousness and to seal up the vision and prophecy and to anoint the most holy. So la ngamazo is prophet. So sesingena kwi-Swiss prophet ke lapha. So okokuqala kusitshelwa nge-70 weeks.
Yes.
70 weeks esevesini esivule ngalo kukhulunywa nge-69 weeks. Yes. Kodwa lapha sesitshela ngani nge-70 weeks. So ke i-70 weeks siyibona iqala ngo-457 BC lapho kuphuma umyalezo wenkosi uArtaxerxes ukubana baphume bayovuselela ezindonga. So mase singena ke evesini i-70 weeks yayizophela ngo-AD 34 from 457 BC to AD 34 that is 70 weeks. And then i-69 weeks iqala ngo-457 BC isiyaphela ngo-AD 27 lapho uJesu ebhaphathizwa. So kumele sikunanzelele lokho ukuthi sekubeka kanjani. Mase singena ke sesichaza leli verse ukubana sizwisise ngesiprofeto kumbe ngesikhathi esasimiselwe amaJuda ukubana benzeni. Ithi yona laphana ithe yona 70 weeks are determined to upon thy people and upon thy holy city to finish the transgression. So ukuqedwa i-transgression singayibiza ngani ngeziphambeko kanje
Yes.
ukuqeda kweziphambeko lokho kwakumele kubonakaliswe lapho abaJuda bemphika ubani bemphikwa uKristu. So ngendlela enjalo leyo period yagcwaliseka lapho uKristu ebethelwa kuphi esiphambanweni bamphika baze babethela uJesu esiphambanweni. And then masiya phambili to make an end of sins. Angithi to make an end of sins leso sikhathi sibonakala ngani ngoKristu. uKristu nguye onjani onikeza umhlatshelo wakhe wani wokugcina. Sihlanganise futhi la leyo ndaba to make reconciliation for what? For iniquity. Bonakala ngokufa kwaKristu engumhlatshelo. So lapho kwakuye wayeqeda bonke ububi. And then mase siya lapha ngaphansi ithi to bring everlasting righteousness. Ukuletha ini ukulunga okunjani okungapheliyo kumbe okungcwele. Lokho kwabonakaliswa ngempilo kaKristu. uKristu nguye kumele alethe impilo enjani elengela sono. Sinless life uKristu wayiphila impilo engela sono. And then ekugcineni mase siya ekugcineni ithi to seal up the vision and prophecy. To seal up the vision and prophecy kwakumele ukuthi konke lokho kwakubaliwe esiprofetweni kwakumele kwenzakale. Yes. Ngaleyo ndlela it was sealing up the vision and prophecy. So kwakumele kumele konke okuprofetiweyo kwenzakala. And then anoint the most holy one. I-most holy masikhuluma nge-most holy sesikhuluma ngesanctuary ngithi that's the lapho esithola khona the most holy place. So kwakuchaza ukuqalwa komsebenzi kaKristu esengena ngapi engcweleni lapho eseqala ukuhlanza ini sokuqala ukuhlanza ithempeli.
Siyabonga. So lapha indaba yonke le indaba izakhona lapha lapha kumele sinake ukuthi 70 weeks indaba in this position emqoka kakhulu ukuthi isikhathi esibekiwe how many weeks? 70 weeks. Iqala yesisofuna ngoba sithi iqala nini lapha 70 weeks 490 years zihlangana njani lezi zibalo ngoba ithi lapha 70 weeks are given but yajika lapha umoya prophetic ngaphansi ithi 400 which is 490 years. Izibalo lezi singazichaza kanjani sihlangana kanjani ukuthi 70 weeks igcine isinyaka engaka esiyi490?
So according to numbers lo Ezekiel 4 verse 6 ithi usuku lumele ini umnyaka. So unga multiply ke i70 weeks leyo izokunikeza yona leyo 490 years. So isikhathi esifana nayo esingatshintsha. So okunye kumele ukuthi sikuchaze mhlambe ababukeli bethu bakuzwisise ukubana amaJuda njengoba nombuzo wadubuzile lapha amaJuda so kwakumele azilungisise. Azilungisise alindele ukubona ubani alindele ukwamkela kumbe ukufika kwaMesaya. Sebebeke zonke izono wenzela ukuthi ma uMesaya efika oMesaya abathole bengabantu abamlindileyo njalo ababezomamkela. Kodwa konke lokho sibona ukuthi njona besesifundile they sealed up the prophecy ngokuthi banjani baze bayombethela ngapi esiphambanweni abazange bamamkela.
Njalo siye ku-B lapha. Describe the provisions made in prophecy. Describe the provisions made in the decree which fulfilled this prophecy. So lana kukhona kumele siku-understand uzosichazela khona ngempendulo. Kukhona le decree ehamba into this prophecy. How do we identify ukuthi le decree le yiyo okukhulunywa ngayo? Ngoba kukhona ukuthi kukhona abanye abake baya balungisa kubangapheli. Kwaba khona abanikeziwe nabanye izincwadi ukuthi bahambe kube khona abakunikezwa endleleni kube khona so ngathi lama decree sethanda ukuba maningi. So yipi siyibona kanjani ukuthi this is the decree okukhulunywa ngayo yiyo le ebonisa ukuthi masingena lapha kumbuzo B yiyo le decree ekhombisa ukuqala kwaleso sikhathi esibekiweyo ukuthi kulungisiswe ube ne restoration.
Yeah, so ngoba usukuchazile ke ukuthi kulama decrees amaningi anikezwayo ngaleso sikhathi. So sibona i-decree yokuqala ngo536 BC eyanikezwa inkosi uCyrus. Inikeza uZerubabeli labo Joshua ukuthi bahambe bayokwakha bayokwakha indlu yenkosi. So sibabona bephuma belexukanyana labantu. Sibone another decree futhi eyaphumayo ngenkosi uDarius ngo519 BC. Layo leyo yayisiyavuselela umsebenzi owusuthe wema wangaqhubeki. So and then bese kusiba le decree enkosi uArtaxerxes Artaxerxes lo ulongima Manas esitshelwe ngaye la eka457 BC. So leyo i-decree masiyibhekile siyibona iyiyo ehambisana lesiprofetho. Mase sibala ukuqala kwezinsuku ze2300 days esiziphiweyo, of which it is the longest prophecy in the Bible. Lokuqala kwe70 weeks esikhuluma ngazo uqhubeka kusize kusiyafika lapho kugcina khona i2300 days. Sibona ama dates wakhona ehambisana. So wonke lama decrees ayengabe ekhichiwe ekuqaleni eka inkosi uCyrus lenkosi uDarius le nkosi uArtaxerxes zonke zibuya zihlangane kube i-decree eyi1 mase singena kwi-prophecy esikhuluma ngayo. Ibe siqala ngo457 BC iqhubeka isiyafika iqhubeka isiprofeto siyaphambili.
Amen. Yes, injalo indaba leyo ngoba nalapha so i-decree lena ingakwengeza eka Ezra ibuya iphelele i-complete. Ayikhulumi kuphela ngokuvuswa kwethempeli ukuthi abantu
bayekwakha indlu yenkosi
bahambe baye khona kuphela ukudumisa. Ikhuluma ngokuvuswa kwendawo yonke. Ithi lapha uverse I think uverse 25 kulelo verse esiliphiwe ithi Ezra with his hand he should set magistrates and judges which may judge all the people that are beyond the river. So ikhuluma ngokuvuswa kwento yonke. So iphelelisiwe lena uyabhala ngapha mawuke wafunda ngapha kuDaniel the Revelation uthi not the restoration of the civil state and polity of all which must be included in the expression to restore and to build Jerusalem. So amanye ama decree lawa they bebeka short bekhona into
ezingekho
bebheka kakhulu ithempeli nokuvuswa kwethempeli nokudumisa, but le ivusa ithempeli ivusa indawo ivusa nababusi abazothi bahambe babusa abantu bafundise nabantu umthetho kaNkulunkulu. So masibhekela ama decree wonke siyabona ukuthi le decree yiyo ephelele.
Amen.
Nama days ayo nokuhamba kwayo yavumelana nalesi prophet eside esothi singene kuso ese 2300 days from this prophet eside kakhulu noma ke manje thina sebheki le part esikuyo i70 weeks.
Amen. So kwakubalekile ukuthi i-decree ibe ngephelele njengoba usukubekile uverse ngo13 lapha noka Ezra ngo7 uthe yona I make a decree that all they of the people of Israel and of his priests and Levites in my realm which are minded of their own free will to go up to Jerusalem go with thee. So wonke umuntu wakhululwa ke manje kwakuyisikhathi sokuthi buyelani lonke elifisa ukuthi linjani libuyelane selikhululekile manje you are no longer what under bondage alisekho ebugqilini manje. So yikho sinanzelela le decree njenge decree eyayiyo eyangempela ngoba njengoba usuchilo yayibuyisela istate ngokuphelela kwazo ubuzwe babo ngokuphelela kwazo ijudicial system ilokozeni ama priestly system konke kwakusokunjani kwakusokukhona ukukhonzwa konke kwakusokunjani sokuphelela. So this is the correct decree esingayibala lapho kuqala khona isiprophetho.
Siyabonga. Ngayo le 70 weeks esikuyo part of his prophet lesesikhulu siyabuzwa lapha kusiwe ukuthi what did the prophets also foretell about the Messiah's ministry? So in this 70 weeks esikhuluma ngayo kukhona isiprophet esikhuluma ngakho ngomsebenzi kaKristu.
So ke lapha verse esiliphiweyo lapha ithi yona kuDaniel 9 verse 26, and after 62 weeks shall Messiah be cut off, but not for himself and the people of the prince that shall come shall destroy the city and the sanctuary, and the end there shall be with a flood, and unto the end of the war desolations are determined. And he shall confirm the covenant with many for 1 week, and in the midst of the week he shall cause the sacrifice and the oblation to cease, and for the overspreading of abominations he shall make it desolate, even until the consummation, and that determined shall be poured upon the desolate. So umsebenzi kaKristu esiubonayo lapha kwakumele ukuthi aze afike la azoyenza iministry yakhe bachumayele la isikhathi sakhe sasimisiwe. So ekuqaleni kwe457 BC sibona kule 7 weeks, first 7 weeks leyo yanikezwa ukwakhiwa kweJerusalem lokhu le temple kuvuselelwa kwezindonga. So yaphelela, it was is done in 49 years kwenzeka lokho kwaphelela. And then i3 score and 2 weeks esikhuluma ngayo lapho kwakumele ukuthi uMessiah afike, and then abe senqunywa uMessiah uma ungabala 49 years usuka ku49 years, first 49 years usiyafika ku69 years 69 weeks ade sikhuluma ngayo, iyo i3 score weeks, 62 weeks as a sale. Ngoba unga-add another 7 weeks kuba yini, kuba yi69 weeks. So yiso lesi sikhathi esasesimiselwe abaJuda kubana abanjani bazilungisisa. Umsebenzi kaKristu ke kwakumele ukuthi azonjani, azovuselela isivumelwano labantu, angithi? Yes, okunye for 1 week, angithi? Ngaleyo 1 week ye70th week, if it's iviki le70 lapho uMessiah zathi aqale umsebenzi wakhe ngo1827, awenze umsebenzi lo for 3.5 years. Yeah, 3.5 years. Kuthi sokuphakathi neviki kumbe sokuphakathi kwe3.5 years leyo uMessiah abe seyanjani, abe seyabethelwa, abe sesenza imihlatshelo yonke eyayisenziwa eyayikhomba kuye uKristu, eyayikhomba kuye uKristu njengewundle lezathi kuhlatshwa iphele. Lokho kwenzeka ngokuthi lapho indoda nomuntu mayilenge esiphambanweni kumbe mayihlatshwa isifo esiphambanweni, iveil lethempeli ladabuka kabili, kwabonakala lokho kwakungale engcweleni ngaphakathi. So konke lokho kwenza ukubana injani imihlatshelo yonke injani ibe ngephelelisiwe.
Yes, siyabonga. So izibalo lezi nanzi ziyavuka zibuyile izibalo. So ikhona mawusukhuluma kwamele sikukhumbule sonke ukuthi umuntu uzothi 69 weeks kodwa yesisho iminyaka. Yes, so mase the 7th week kube that 1 week ekhona which tends to kuba iminyaka engu7 lapho okwenzeka khona zonke izinto eziphathelene noMesiya esikhuluma khona ubethelwa kakhe nokuqeda i70 weeks lena, ubhaphathizwa kwakhe, ukubethelwa kwakhe, nokuphela kwe7 weeks. So that week okumbe leyo minyaka ekhona yiyo esibonisa ukuphela kwe7 weeks. Okumele kuhlale isinto esiyikhumbulayo ukuthi umnyaka for ilanga
usuku ulumele
unyaka. Yes, ukuze ma sesibheka ngokuya kwama-weeks sikwazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngento enjani. Yes, so lapha umoya wesiprofeti usichazela ngakho lokho ukuthi njengoba usushilo ngakho ukudabuka kweveil ethempelini, then uphela kwayo indaba le the 1 week or the 7 years ephela in AD 34 lapho ke sabona khona kukhanda uStephen ngamatshe. So impilo kaKristu kumbe iministry kaKristu, yes, uphatheka kwakhe emsebenzini wakhe sikubona khona lapho in that week kumbe in those years lapho ezothi khona abhaphathizwe abenza umsebenzi abethelwe ngoba usushilo ukuthi kuyi3.5 years then bese kusithatha isikhathi
Yes.
3 ukuze iphele i-70 weeks.
Amen.
Amen. Siya ku-Thursday, the 70 weeks completed. What tragedy was to occur after the 490 years were finished? So you 70 weeks there, 400 and what? 90 years. Yes. So yini ezokwenzeka embi ngemva kokuphela kwe-490 years kumbe kwe-70 weeks?
So into esifundayo lapha ithi yona uDaniel 9 verse 26 ithi, and after 62 weeks shall the Messiah be cut off, but not for himself, and the people of the prince shall come destroy the city and the sanctuary.
Yes.
And the end thereof shall be with flood, and unto the end of the war of desolations are determined. Daniel 9 verse 27 ithi, and he shall confirm the covenant with many for 1 week, and in the midst of the week he shall cause the sacrifice and the oblation to cease.
Yes.
And for the overspreading of abominations he shall make it desolate, even unto the consummation, and that determined shall be poured upon the desolate. Looks 21 verse 20 ithi, and when he shall see Jerusalem compassed with armies, then know that the desolation thereof is nigh. So ke ekupheleni kwe 70 years leyo njengoba nabase bemnqabile uKristu wabulawa kumbe wabethelwa esiphambanweni. After that ivangeli lithathwa ngabafundi for another 3.5 years babaqedisa kuze kufike i-AD 34 lapho kumakha khona i-end of 70 years.
Yes.
After that ngoba sesifundile ukuthi it marked the rejection kumbe kwaba isikhathi lapho abaJuda amanqaba khona ivangeli likabani, ivangeli likaKristu sokungokupheleleyo. So uJesu uma ebabhekile uthi umuzi wenu kumbe indlu yenu ngishiyela incithakalo, angithi alisoze limbone futhi lize lithi ubusisiwe oza ngegama likabani, oza ngegama lenkosi. So ngaleso sikhathi ngo-AD 70 iJerusalem athiwa yahlaselwa yini? Yahlaselwa yiRoma. Kuthiwa yazungezwa yiRoma, amabutho eRoma abona sezungezile iRoma enjani esesiza azoyibhidliza futhi lalona leli thempeli elanjani elalakhiwe. So itragedy esikhuluma ngayo yikubhidlizwa futhi kwani kweJerusalem. Yes. So uMateyu lapha ubekhulumile ukuthi malibona iJerusalem lizungeziwe, lo oseJudiya makabaleke aye ngaphi? Ayezintabeni engasabuyi. Lo phezulu kwesihlahla kanjani? Angasayehli ngoba kwasokunjani? Kwasokuyisikhathi esenzima kakhulu lapho iJerusalem lathi selenqabile kumbe isizwe lesi esasikhethekile sesinqabile ivangeli, kwasokumele ukuthi kufike esikhathini lapho esichithwa khona leso sizwe. Ithi yona lapha masifunda ithi the long suffering of God toward Jerusalem only confirmed the Jews and their stubborn impenitence. In their blind and blasphemous presumption, their leaders publicly declared that they had no fear that Jerusalem will be destroyed, for it was God's own city.
Yeah.
To establish their power more firmly, they bribed the false prophets to proclaim, even while Roman legions were besieging the temple, that the people were to wait for the deliverance from God. To the last, multitudes held fast to the belief that the Most High would interpose for the defeat of their adversaries. But Israel had spanned the divine protection, and now she had no defense. Unhappy Jerusalem, rent by internal dissensions, the blood of her children slain by one another's hands, crimsoning her streets, while alien armies beat down her fortification and slew her men of war. So ngendlela enjalo ke iJerusalem yanjani yazungezwa ngamabutho, kodwa njengoba nama uvele usublinded, awusezi ungasaxhumani loNkulunkulu noma iziyalezo ilizwi likutshela ukuthi ngesikhathi esinje esibekiweyo liza kuthi lithunjwe kumbe libhidlizwe. Abadala ababekhona ababehola ngaleso sikhathi kuthiwa bavala amehlo abo abazange bazifunela abaprofeti ababatshela amanga baduduza abantu ukuthi hayi hlalani la akusila lutho oluzenzeka uNkulunkulu isandla sikaNkulunkulu sinjani sizongenela sizoba phezulu so ngendlela enjalo iJerusalema lachithwa ke ngo-AD 70 kwaba khona incithakalo enkulu.
So sibona lapha ngempela i-tragedy kumisehlalo lesesibi sisenzeka noma izibonakaliso zikhona abanye baziziba singasho ukuthi babona amabutho eRome
ezungeze
eJerusalem iphinde ibuyele basho bathi hayi ngempela isandla senkosi senze njani
sikhona
sivimbile ukuthi singanqotshwa kodwa ababefundile ababekwazi ukuthi kushoni ngaleso sikhathi ngesikhathi imali kubona lokho sokuyisikhathi sokuthi abantu benze njani babaleke so babengamnanzeleli ukuthi leso sibonakala kwakuyiyo indlela uNkulunkulu abonisa ngayo ukuthi lento esafunda ngayo iyenzeka mabe ubulandelile ubufundile ukuthi lokho kushoni wawuzothatha leso sikhathi ukuthi uhambe kodwa ngenxa yokuthi nabadala nabo babe involved ekumpuphuthekiseni abantu ukuthi bathi hayi it's God's own city ngoba sifundile lapha ukuthi inkosi angeke ivume ukuthi leli indawo yayo ibe ngebhujiswayo futhi ngemva kokuthi isike yayenze njani yaba restored so sibona ke that's the tragedy yenzeka ukubhujiswa kwendawo lena siyadlulela ku B. With the first portion of the days understood, what can we identify? Ngoba sesikuzwisisile ukuthi ingxenye yokuqala i70 weeks. Sesikubonile futhi ukuthi 70 weeks le siqala kuphi, siyiphelela kuphi. Sikufundile ukuthi iqala lapha ngo457 ngecommand ka inkosi Artaxerxes isiyaphelela lapha ngo-AD lokho nje 834. So isikhathi lesi siyaphela so umbuzo uthi ngoba sesikuzwisisile ukuthi iqala kuphi nendaba iphelela kuphi yini singathi sikwazi ukuthi siyibone siyi-identify ngalamalanga kube ngalesi siprofeti esikhulu.
So into esingakwazi ukuyinanzelela lana ukuthi siyabona ukuthi isiprofeto siqala kuphi njalo sesingakwazi ukuthi sibale size kuyofika ekugcineni kwaso isiprofeti. So sikhulume nge490 years esesikhulume ngayo so izinsuku eseziselelana sokusele 1810 years ukwenzela ukuthi kuhlangane mase ku-eda kube yi-2000 what 300 so ke lokho iverse esiliphiwe lapha lokugcina lithi to bring in everlasting righteousness and to seal up the vision and the prophets and to anoint the most holy. So kusithatha lokho kusisa ngoba sichazile eqaleni ukuthi to anoint the most holy sikhuluma ngomsebenzi lapho uKristu azongena khona engcwelengcweleni lapho seqala ukuhlanza khona ithempeli.
Yes. So lapha singakusho ke we can identify ngokuqotha ukuthi from lesi sikhathi sokuphela kwe70 years usafika lapha egcineni kwesiprofeti that is the time when the sanctuary will be what will be cleansed. So yikho lokho singathi sikufundile kumbe from mase sivala sithi from 70 years ekuthunjwa mayiphela kuqala
70
weeks isiyaphela lesibona ukuthi iphele nini sesingakwazi ukuthi sibale sithi siyofika lapha ekupheleni kwaso 1810 years 1810 days ukuthi isiprofeti siphelela lapha then the sanctuary shall be cleansed. Ngathi ngamafishane yikho esifunda ngakho kulesi sifundo sethu sanamhlanje lapha sithi the vision explained umbono uchazwa esichazelwe khona konke lokho esithe sakufunda.
Amen.
Siyabonga ke babukele emakhaya sithemba ukuthi sizoba nani esifundweni esilandelayo lapho sithi siqhubeke khona ngokufunda ngalesi siprofeto esikhulu singakavali isifundo sethu sizothi sigobe emakhanda ngomthandazo ngithandaza. Baba sezulwini siyabonga ngalesi sikhathi osinikeza sona ukuthi sifunde elizwini lakho ngesikhathi ezibekiweyo, eziveziweyo, esizaziyo nathi. Ngathi Nkosi konke lokho esikufundileyo ungasondeza eduze ukuthi sibone ukuthi uyakhona ukusinakekela nokuthi uyasitshela ithi awenze lutho ungavezelanga izinceku zakho abaprofeti. Susivezele Nkosi isiprofethi esikhulu ingathi sisizwisise ukuze usisize ehambeni lethu. Kuningi Nkosi singakusho kodwa siyathemba ukuthi nesifundo ezilandelayo uzothi usithelele umoya wakho engcwele. Ngilihle igama likaJesu ohlele kuze kube phakade siyakhuleka. Amen.
Amen.